In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between Focused and Other Inbox in Microsoft Outlook. If you ever feel like your inbox is overflowing, the Focused Inbox can help by separating your most important emails from everything else. When it's on, Outlook organizes your messages into two tabs, Focused for emails it thinks matter most and Other for the rest. You can easily turn this feature on or off and switch between the two views whenever you like. Start by opening Outlook and looking for the settings icon near the top of the screen. It may appear as a small gear positioned at the upper area of your Outlook window. Click it to open the settings panel. This is where you control how your inbox looks and behaves, so it's the right place to manage the focused inbox. In the settings panel, navigate to Mail, then select Layout. The Layout section contains visual and organizational options for your mailbox. Here, you'll find the focused inbox setting. If you want Outlook to split your messages into two tabs, turn Focused Inbox on. If you prefer a single, unified inbox where everything appears together, turn it off. The choice is entirely up to how you like to process your email. When Focused Inbox is enabled,